I will explain about development of social media during the COVID-19 pandemic. The development of increasingly advanced technology provides various conveniences for its users. One of them is social media, which is an online-based media product where people can quickly access new information they want, coupled with internet access, which is very easy for its users. Especially for the use of social media in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. How is the development of social media during the COVID-19 era? The power of social media in the midst of a pandemic is unquestionable. More and more Indonesians are spending free time when there is a government vacation at home, requiring them to do activities online and everyday intersecting with the online world. The use of social media has experienced a tremendous increase, reported by TechID with a survey that has been carried out to more than 25,000. In the middle of this space, in addition, WhatsApp is one of the applications that has received a high increase in usage during this time because people are still trying to keep in touch with each other amidst pandemic conditions. Not only that, in the same demographic, the use of Facebook and Instagram is known to have increased by more than 1,400. It is not surprised that the social media users also have an impact on the news conveyed about COVID-19, which is available on all digital platforms. The rise of news on a number of social media related to COVID-19 continues to increase. The changes that have occurred are very significant because many parties don't want to be left behind in obtaining or sharing related to COVID-19. So, how much influence does social media have on human behavior in the midst of a pandemic? Oftentimes, we are not aware that every time we read information about the coronavirus or COVID-19, we can feel a panic. Reported by iNews, it is the circulation of information through social media that causes panic in today's society, the epidemic of disease. As a result, people experience panic buying, where people buy necessities on a large scale such as staples and masks. The COVID-19 pandemic has also led to the spread of false information on digital platforms with various modes. No wonder the spread of fake information or news has triggered panic as well as fear and concern for the public, especially ordinary people who aren't literate about COVID-19 information. Even so, we as the millennial generation also have to be very clever in choosing and sorting out which information is a lie. As explained by Firman Kurniawan as an observer of culture and digital communication in Kompasiana. He explained the quality information that must be consumed is to choose reliable sources which are able to present the real situation simply and sensibly. In the middle of the current situation, it is not only physical distancing that we can apply, but also social media distancing to reduce the panic that occurs due to the large amount of news about COVID-19, which can affect the mentality of the reader. I hope this information is useful. Thank you.